Welcome back. Today, we're learning how to clamp or limit a number within a defined range. This is a really handy technique when working with slides, game coordinates, or screen bounds. If a number goes too high or too low, we snap it back to the nearest valid limit. Let's check out the code that makes it all work. The goal here is simple: to keep a number inside a safe range. If it drops below the minimum, we bring it up. If it goes too high, we cap it down. This kind of logic is everywhere in input validation and UI design. Now, let's build a compact JavaScript function to handle it. This function uses a ternary operator to decide what to return. If the value is below the minimum, we return the min. If it is above the maximum, we return max. And if it is already in range, we just return the original value. It is a single line that covers all three cases cleanly. The function checks one condition at a time. First for the lower bound, then the upper. So when you input 7, it returns because that it is within the range. With -7, it is below 0, so we bring it up. And 15 is capped at the top. Let's break it down with a simple example table. This table sums it up nicely. If you're inside the range, the function simply echoes your value. Otherwise, it returns whichever boundary is appropriate, min or max. Now, let's explore some practical scenarios where this trick shines. You'll find value clamping in a ton of apps and systems. From UI sliders to hardware sensors, we often need to keep values within safe zones. This prevents data overflow and animation bugs, or invalid inputs. Now, let's wrap up with a quick review. And that's how you safely keep any value inside the range in JavaScript. This one-liner is clean, powerful, and easy to reuse across any project. No more worrying about wild values throwing things off. Thanks for tuning in and happy coding. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.